So the brand sent me this set of 4 spatulas. So let's take a closer look at them and see if this set meets the needs of what maybe you're looking for. So this one, nice and soft. So if you're looking for something that's really flexible and bendy and can get into like the corners of a jar or something, this might be exactly what you want. It is, let's see here, grab a ruler. It's almost 7 inches long. All right. Now, this one, the end is really bendy, and this end is really bendy, but in the middle, it's much stiffer. This again would also be good for scraping the insides of a jar. And this one is going to be about, this one is 9 inches long. So yeah, you've got, and it's got a little thing if you need to hang it up, or you can go into your jar. This one here is your pretty standard, right? Scoop the edges of a bowl or whatever when you're cooking. It's got the hole at the top. You can hang it up or put it in a jar or canister where you're collecting them. This end is super bendy. See here? So yeah, lots of flexibility. And then this last one is kind of cool. So this is great for sticking inside of like bottles. So you can you put this inside the bottle, you scrape the edges, get everything, and then you pull it up. And then when you're pulling it back out of the bottle, it bends so you can get it back out, but it lets you clean out the bottom of a bottle. So yeah, this one is really neat. We'll probably get the most use out of the collection for us because we don't have one like this. So I hope that this overview of these 4 spatulas has helped you in your determination if this set is the set for you.